Hi, I'm David Lee. I'm the CEO of Allonis LLC, and here we are at InfoComm 2026, and our booth is N6462, and we are a control system manufacturer. We specialize in sports bars, restaurants, medium to high-end homes, and we make it very easy for non-technical people to click on a tablet or a phone and put different video sources to different TVs, and to be able to control advanced audio systems. We are also the US distributor for DigiSynthetics, and they are one of the industry leaders in AES67 digital audio modules. And we have multiple different product lines for an end-to-end bar or restaurant system, including our new table topper. This does marketing on the tabletop, all while your patron is charging their phone. And if their phone isn't charged quite yet, then maybe they'll order dessert and add it to the menu. We also have a really fun feature we call customer listening. So when the customer uses their phone, they can click on the TV that they'd like to watch the hockey game on, and now they can listen to the hockey broadcast live in the earbuds of their phone, even though the bartender may have the football game on the OWI speakers that are hanging from the ceiling. Okay, so we would love to meet with you. We will be at InfoComm 2027 and looking forward to seeing you there.